Zhangjiagang Sunrise Textile Company Limited, as one of the world's major home lifestyle product providers, is located in Zhangjiagang City, Jiangsu Province, near Shanghai Port. Jiangsu Sunrise is located in Shuyang City, near Qingdao Port, with convenient transportation access. We have many years of experiences in supplying all types of textile and related products. Sunrise Textile has highly vertically integrated capacity, including sourcing, developing, fabric manufacturing, sewing, packing, and exporting. We export lots of goods to many well-known companies, stores, and brands every year. Our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated by customers all over the world. Sunrise Textile have obtained many certifications: BSCI, SEDEX, OCOTEX, GRS, ISO 9001, etc. Sunrise consciously assumes social responsibility, actively adopts new technologies and equipment of ecological, environmental protection. We take the lead in realizing coverage of clean energy, such as natural gas and solar power generation. We are awarded Green Environmental Protection and the Excellent Enterprise of Greenhouse Gas Emission Reduction. Sunrise was founded on the philosophy, there is always a way to make things better. Constantly adhering to values of quality and credibility, Sunrise's staffs are working on market expansion and products tweaking, aiming to let the customer get better products and service. We are looking forward to cooperate with you. Thank you.